This is vegetable. This is rice that you already put in the fridge for like make it cool down or put it overnight. This is cooking oil, soy sauce, oyster sauce if you want, and chicken powder. If you don't have, it's okay. Sugar, salt, pepper. You can use butter instead of cooking oil also. Yeah, and this is MSG, but if you don't have, you don't need it actually. Healthier. And garlic. Chop, chop, chop. 2 eggs. Okay. Add some garlic. Yeah. And put egg. Yep. Yeah. And we use the strong. Okay. Chicken powder. Sugar in it. A bit more. Just a little bit more.
Little bit.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Some salt. Okay, enough. A bit of pepper.
Okay.
Yeah, that's enough. Yeah. Okay. Shrimp and tomato.
Ready now.
Have a look. It looks good. Yeah.